The 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700CC V4 roars into the scene, carrying the DNA of one of the most powerful muscle cruisers ever built. Yamaha has fine-tuned this beast, keeping its raw power intact while integrating modern refinements. Is this the ultimate power cruiser of 2025? Let's find out. Engine and performance, pure adrenaline at the heart of the VMAX is its monstrous 1,679 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V4 engine. Generating a staggering 200 horsepower and 123 pound-foot of torque, this powerhouse delivers relentless acceleration. Yamaha's advanced fuel injection and ride-by-wire technology ensure smooth power delivery, while the iconic V-Boost system enhances performance at high RPMs. Whether you're launching off the line or rolling on the throttle at highway speeds, the VMAX remains an untamed force. Chassis and handling built for control despite its aggressive power, the 2025 VMAX is engineered for stability and confidence. Its aluminum frame provides exceptional rigidity, while the 52% front weight bias improves handling. The updated suspension setup, 43mm fully adjustable KYB forks up front and a single shock at the rear, ensures precise control, whether carving through corners or cruising on open highways. Braking system, power meets safety. With great power comes the need for superior stopping performance. Yamaha equips the VMAX with dual 320mm wave-style disc brakes paired with radial-mounted 6-piston calipers at the front, while a 298mm disc at the rear ensures controlled deceleration. The latest ABS and traction control system provide added confidence, making it safer to unleash the full potential of this machine. Design and aesthetics, a modern beast, the 2025 VMAX retains its aggressive stance with a few modern tweaks. The muscular fuel tank, sculpted bodywork, and iconic air intakes give it an unmistakable presence. New LED lighting enhances visibility, while premium finishes and color options, including midnight black and metallic crimson, add to its street-dominating appeal. Technology and features, modern muscle. Yamaha integrates cutting-edge technology into the VMAX without compromising its raw character. A full-color TFT display provides real-time ride data, while multiple ride modes, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity enhance convenience. The keyless ignition system adds a touch of modern luxury to this brutal powerhouse. Final verdict: the ultimate power cruiser. The 2025 Yamaha VMAX 1700CC V4 stays true to its heritage while embracing modern refinements. It's not just a motorcycle, it's an adrenaline rush on two wheels. If you crave raw power, aggressive styling, and cutting-edge tech, the VMAX is ready to dominate the streets once again. Stay tuned to Bike Buzz for more updates on the latest rides. Ride safe and keep the throttle wide open.